Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sanskruti and as you know from the title of this video, so ये एक haul video होने वाला है and I'm actually doing a made in India series video जहाँ मैं made in India products को दिखाऊंगी आप सबके सामने and we need to support our economic and developed it and we need to support our Indian brands more right now. And I know we people are not in a stable condition right now, so I think so guys, actually I bought a lot of essential things this time from Purple, things that I need in this lockdown and the things that emptied, and I really want to try this product because they based in because they are made in India, Indian brands. I really need to support them, and these are really good thing and something, and some of them are I already tried, and I know how they work and what they are, and some are new to me and I wanted to try this brand. So yes, let's jump into the video. So first thing first, I will going to share with you one brand that is Apps Goodness, that is exclusively available in purple.com, and they are a very affordable Indian brand, and they do cruelty free and all the nasty chemical free uh, prod products in products, and everything is based upon it is a skincare based hair care and skincare body care brand actually. So I got some product and I shop for 200 something, 260 or 299, and I got a facial mist free at that point of time. That was an offer and I really love it and how they're giving freebies. So yes, I will just going to share with you. So the first thing that I got is this facial mist from Apps Goodness. So this is an Tulsi toner actually. So you just have to spritz it, and let me tell you everything that I'm showing you. You can whether you are a man, woman, male, female, everybody can use this, and they are very affordable. The price and everything will be in my screen and also in my description box. So yes, the first thing that I got is this, and I already used it. As you can see, the seal is already open. I really love it, and it just gives me this, it just gives me that stress free relief type of feeling. So I really love it. So yes, it is a very handy dandy travel friendly toner, and if you're new to use any toner, go for it. Try this brand. It is very affordable, as well as it will not going to just not, it will, it actually worth every penny you spent. Now I do a lot of homemade face mask for myself, and I really love the homemade handmade face mask. So I got this sandalwood powder from Apps Goodness, and it's just a kind of carrier powder. I want to mix with multani mitti and haldi besan. So for that purpose I get this. So the next thing is a really very new to me. I saw their new launch sticker sheet mask. So this is the sticker sheet mask. So this is their hydrating sticker sheet mask, and it's for cucumber, rose and watermelon, like the slices of sheet mask. So it is very affordable. I got it for 75 rupees. So I thought I would get one and try it how it works, and I will going to share a review with you guys if possible in my channel. So yes, this is the third thing that I got. So guys, then I got this Apps Goodness. This is their sandalwood face scrub actually, and it is a very tiny mini handy scrub. I actually don't do I actually nowadays don't do any kind of physical scrub, but I'm trying to avoiding it, but somehow I want to try this out because it is very affordable also. I got it for 60 rupees I think, but the original retail price is 75 rupees. But yes, I got it for 60 rupees. So yes, this is the next thing. really needed in my life is an essential oil. I use essential oil for aromatherapies in my DIYs, and I use it for spot treatment when I get acne spots or dark spots. It really works, and I really use in daily basis tea tree essential oil, and I always recommend everyone to use it. Essential oil are really the key ingredient to just give a twist to any DIY thing. So I got this Ebbs Goodness. This is the tea tree essential. As I talk about the freebies, I got this lavender face mist or the toner uh, fa- face mist for free when I bought all this product from the same one brand. So yes, I really love it, and I really love the freebies also. Remover, and I forgot to put a makeup remover in my makeup pouch because I was not sure that how many days I'm going to live or stay here, so that's why. So I got this Blue Heaven makeup remover wipes, and I already tried this product. It is very good. I know wet wipes are not biodegradable and not good for and they are not environmentally, and they are not environment and they are not environment friendly, but still I really needed it, and I am trying to avoid it. But yes, I got this. It is very affordable. It comes with 30 wipes. I also used 8 already, and the price will be on my description box, so don't worry about that. And the next thing that I got is a nail paint from the brand NY Bay Nail Liquid, and this is in the set Pistachio Macron. It is a matte shade, and I really love this funky color. I really wanted to try it. So yes, this is the color. It comes with this type of frosty packaging, and yes, this is forgot to put in. I really forgot to put in my makeup pouch is a compact powder, and I really need a compact powder because I'm a combination skin girl, and I really need a compact powder, and it just helps to just mattifying my T-zone area where I got a lot of oiliness gathered in that portion of my face. So I got this Vela Voste compact powder, and I'm in the shade, this is Luscious Silk, and I do have a lot of compact powder, but I needed it, so I got this affordable one, and I already used it. It is a very good travel friendly compact powder, does the work properly, so I'm happy with the product. I know, and you know, I use sunscreen in daily basis, whether it's a rainy day, winter season, summer season, any season. I do apply sunscreen every day. Each day I apply, and if I do not apply it, I just got little bumps in my skin that irritates me. So I use the Neutrogena sunscreen, and it's been 2-3 years I'm continuously using it, and it works the best in my skin. But I really wanted to try something new and made in India, so I got this Aroma Magic Blossom Culture Carrot Sunscreen Lotion, and when I got this, it was in an offer, so I got it for 96 or 98 rupees. So this has a very low SPF, I must say. It contains SPF 15, but it's okay. I'm in the home and I can reapply it, and I don't need to reapply actually also. So I got it. I want to try this product, and let's see how it works. And if you follow me on my Instagram, I do post regularly there, updating there, so you can follow me there, and you can just, and I will just going to give my proper what you can proper review on my honest experience with this product. So yes, so guys, another Indian brand that I already tried products from, the another Indian brand that I already used the product. Some of the product is obviously Himalaya who doesn't love Himalaya, who doesn't used Himalaya in India till date. I use their face wash, face scrub, and their body lotions and face pack, but I never tried the hair range from their brand. And I got this Himalaya protein hair cream, and this is for, I think, nourishing hair. And I really want to try this product, and I also got it in a very affordable price. I think 65 or 75. It is very cheap, and I really want to try this. As you can see, my hair is a little here and there. So yes, this thing I got and really want to go, and I want to share with you guys my experience with this product. It is worth or not. So yes, stay tuned for that also. So yes guys, this is my tiny mini purple haul. I hope you like this video, and just stick with my and just wait for my next video in this Made in India series, and support the Indian brands, the small business that women's men's are doing, and support them, and just help our economic to grow more. Stay safe in your home, stay safe, and do well.